A spacious single-level home that combines timeless character and modern design. Hi, my name's David Smeallie, proudly representing Pello, and I cannot wait to show you this incredible home. Set behind a classic white picket fence, this architect-designed renovation by Phil Corben captures everything we love about Mosman living. Charm, light, and a seamless indoor-outdoor flow. Inside, high ornate ceilings, polished timber floors and elegant proportions create an immediate sense of calm and character. Every detail has been considered, from the reverse cycle air conditioning, gas fireplace, plantation shutters, as well as custom joinery throughout. At the heart of the home sits a beautifully designed kitchen, a Smeg gas cooktop, Miele integrated dishwasher, stone bench tops and integrated cabinet that maximises both space and style. The design connects naturally with the living and dining areas, creating a layout that's easy to live in and perfect for entertaining. French doors open to a north-facing courtyard, which is private and filled with sunlight. There are 3 generous bedrooms, each with high ceilings and built-in storage, while a renovated bathroom features a separate bath, shower and timeless finishes. Downstairs there is a cellar, excellent underhouse storage, plus secure off-street parking. Other features include integrated speakers, alarm, including multiple fireplaces. All this within a short walk of Bridgepoint Shopping Centre, Balmoral Beach and easy city transport. Having walked you through this home, I know that this is a property that will not last long. So if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to give me a call, and I look forward to seeing you at our next inspection.